International Post Corporation is a cooperative company with 23 members, as you can see from the logos. All of them are postal and logistics operators, and we serve them in support of their operations and their information technology, as well as a very large number of other operators in the postal and logistics world. As a small company serving very large companies, we are not able to keep our own property department, and yet we have to negotiate in a property market for which we need some highly specialized advice. And that is how we first came into partnership with Business some years ago now, at a point when we were considering whether to renew the lease on the premises here or to move to another set of premises, again meeting our requirements of being near to the airport. What we found was that Business Space had the expertise and, most importantly, the independence from the sales agents and landlords to advise us, to show us alternative properties that met our specification, and also to negotiate with people who they know but which we do not know very well, since we do not do property negotiations every day of the week, an attractive set of prospective rents tied to the service charges, because it's all a total cost, from which we were able to decide to remain in our current premises at a much reduced rental, and save ourselves the considerable costs of moving all of our staff and the IT server room to new premises. Business Space did what I doubt we could have done on our own. They negotiated a deal that effectively meant we secured the extra space in a way that allowed us to invest in equipping it in a modern, and I wouldn't say luxurious, but comfortable fashion. That is something I doubt that certainly I could have negotiated with our landlord or with alternative landlords by myself. It's that specialist expertise, the ability to source alternatives, to make those credible to the landlord's concerned, to show that this company at any rate would move if there was the suitable deal in the offering, or indeed would stay if a suitable deal could be negotiated, and it was. So we are actually delighted to be staying where we are, and even more delighted with the economics of doing so.